You sit down to study. 5 minutes later, you're on your phone. You promise yourself, tomorrow I'll be serious. But tomorrow comes and nothing changes. You're not weak, you're not lazy. You just haven't trained your mind. Because mental strength isn't something you're born with, it's something you build. And today, I'll show you exactly how. What mental strength really means. Mental strength is not about being emotionless. It's about doing what needs to be done even when you don't feel like it. It's studying when you're tired, showing up when motivation is gone, staying calm when life gets messy. Most people wait for motivation. Mentally strong people, they act without it. Section 1. Control your thoughts, the real battle. Everything starts in your mind. You fail once, and your brain says, I'm not smart. I can't do this. But here's the truth. Your brain lies to protect your comfort. So here's your 1% upgrade. Start catching your thoughts. When your mind says, I can't focus, replace it with, I'll focus for 5 minutes. Small shift, big impact. This is called cognitive reframing. You're not ignoring reality. You're choosing a better response. Section 2. Build discipline, not motivation. Motivation is unreliable. Some days you feel unstoppable. Most days you don't. That's normal. So stop depending on motivation. Start building systems. Example, don't say, I'll study later. Say, I study at 7 p.m., no matter what. Make it automatic. Your brain loves patterns. The more you repeat an action at the same time, the less energy it takes to do it. That's how discipline is built. Section 3. Do hard things daily. Mental strength grows when you do things you don't want to do, every single day. It doesn't have to be big. Cold shower for 30 seconds. Study when you feel lazy. Say no to distractions. These are small wins, but they send a powerful signal. I'm in control. This is how you train your brain to become stronger than your emotions. Section 4. Kill procrastination with action. Let's be real. Procrastination is your biggest enemy. But here's the trick. Don't try to finish the task. Just start it. Tell yourself, I'll do this for 5 minutes. That's it. Because starting breaks resistance. And once you begin, your brain wants to continue. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. Section 5. Protect your focus. Your focus is under attack every day. Notifications, social media, endless scrolling. Every time you switch tasks, your brain loses energy. So here's your rule. One task at a time. Put your phone away, study in silence, set a timer. Even 25 minutes of deep focus is better than 2 hours of distraction. Mentally strong people protect their attention because they know focus is power. Section 6. Learn to handle failure. You will fail. You will have bad days. You will lose focus sometimes. That doesn't make you weak. That makes you human. The difference is, mentally strong people don't quit. They adjust. Instead of saying, I failed, say, what can I improve? Failure becomes feedback, and feedback builds strength. I know it's frustrating. You want to change. You want to improve, but you feel stuck, like you're trying but not moving. Listen, you're closer than you think. You don't need a perfect life. You just need to take control of your next action. Mental strength is built not in one day. It's built in small moments when you choose focus over distraction, action over excuses, discipline over comfort. So start today, not tomorrow, not next week, right now. Do one hard thing. That's your first step. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this, because mental strength can change your entire life.